If life were to develop exactly the same for all of us, then we would be carbon copies of each other. And I don't think personally that that's what God intends. We're meant to be different. We're meant to be unique. We do developmental biology. And we look at a structure known as the superior colliculus, and that's in us humans. However, it's deep in our brains and hard to study, so we use a model organism. And our model organism are zebrafish.
Fish are obviously not people, but they do have a structure that is functionally and structurally similar to the superior colliculus, and that's called the optic ductum,
which is responsible for taking in sensory information and kind of coordinating that information to produce a behavioral response, which is so important because life is a multisensory experience.
The superior colliculus is actually implicated in different neurodevelopmental disorders. It's implied to play some kind of role in like ADHD or an autism spectrum disorder. The goal is to kind of take these zebrafish and identify and characterize multisensory integrating neurons using what's called calcium imaging.
This lab I really was drawn to because of Dr. Sui's emphasis on autism. I have a sister who used to work with autistic children, and her love for those kids was just something that I was drawn to.
My mom, she's a teacher, and so I hear about how she interacts with students that have autism spectrum disorder and kind of how they're impacted in classroom settings and just in daily life. It's something that we should know more about so that we're able to help everybody thrive.
The work that we're doing isn't meant to cure anything. It's more of a way to understand so that we can better empathize with our friends and family or fellow men.
As I've learned the neuroscience, as I've worked in the lab studying neurodevelopment, I just feel like I've grown a newfound compassion for people in who they are and who they are meant to be in God's eyes. And in a way, the more you study development, the more you start to appreciate how beautiful of an experience it is.
Heavenly Father loves all his children. People are diverse and people are different, and there is an inherent beauty in that.